As college graduation approaches, students look for their next step, a job. However, it may not be as easy to start that dream career as it once was.
Brady Brune is graduating in 2 weeks and is well aware of the poor job market.
It's not going to be given to you. It's something you're going to have to work for.
An analysis of government data shows 53% of college graduates aged 25 or younger are unemployed or underemployed.
We need to keep students in mind of is that you need to be really setting some goals and some targets and then building backups.
Whether that's working at a restaurant or being a janitor, or bills have to be paid, and sometimes it's just survival.
Despite the gloomy outlook, there appears to be some light at the end of the recession tunnel.
They're expecting to hire between 9 and 10% more college graduates this year than they did last year.
Even when the economy turns around, experts say students can't expect to have jobs fall right into their lap.
Students need to still understand that even in good times it's competitive.
Although it is no easy task, career counselors say there are ways to improve your chances.
Traditionally, a good, solid, well-written cover letter, a good professional resume.
Being active while in school will also help you in the long run.
I'd stress the importance of internships while you're in school.
Brady prepared himself accordingly by taking the right steps in college.
Luckily for me, I found an organization I wanted to work for, and I landed a job within that organization.
Despite troubling statistics, it is possible to land that job after graduation. Just ask Brady. I'm Corey Robertson, reporting for Studio One.
Economists say engineering and medicine are the two fields with the brightest job outlook right now.